The first step is digging a hole approximately 20 inches wide and deep at the desired location for the basket. The new basket is collapsible, making it easy to get into crawl spaces with limited access and can be assembled in the crawl space. The basket comes in 3 pieces: the bottom, center, and cover. It also comes with stainless steel hardware for assembly. The shorter screws are installed along the rim near the center of the basket, and the longer screws will be used to secure the cover to the top rim at the end of the installation. The basket is positioned and checked with a level. Adjustments are made to the soil at the base of the basket to get the basket leveled at the desired height. A 4-inch hole saw is used to create a hole for the inlet of the drain tile. The 4-inch corrugated drain tile is attached with a coupler to the multi-flow drain tile. The cover may be placed on temporarily to keep rock out of the sump basket. P-rock is then used to fill around the sump basket and drain tile. Encapsulation is attached to the walls with button fasteners, installed into 1/4-inch holes drilled approximately 2 to 3 inches from the top, 4 foot on center. A second row of fasteners is installed near the bottom of the wall. A bead of SafeBasements adhesive is installed at the top of the encapsulation, sealing the system. The floor liner is rolled out and taped to the wall liner. Be careful to mark the location of the sump basket while rolling out the floor liner. With the floor liner in place, cut a circle about 2.5 inches in from the perimeter of the top of the basket, then cut 2-inch slits about 1/2 inch in from the rim, 2 to 3 inches on center around the basket, creating a flange that will fold in while installing the cover. Test fit the cover to see if additional material needs to be removed. The cover should fit tight. Place the pump in the sump basket and mark the location of the discharge pipe on the cover. Use the appropriate size hole saw to create holes for the discharge and cord seal if needed. Run the wires through and install the cover over the discharge. Then secure the cover to the basket using the 6 longer screws provided spaced evenly around the outer rim of the basket. Complete the plumbing and mount the control box for the pump. protective coating may then be removed from the polycarbonate lid and the top of the basket cleaned of any debris. Thanks for watching.